Hi guys, this is Ashok Singh and guess what? One of our viewer asked us to make video on the top 12 honeymoon destinations in India. So we have today the top 12 honeymoon destinations. Let's begin. Number 1 is Goa. Goa has always been among the top most romantic honeymoon destinations for couples in India. The different beach, the feni, the seafood, the cool crowd that does not care what you are doing is all that is perfect for a newly married couple. You can stay at an expensive resort or at a humbler hotel. You will spend most of your time in the hotel. You will love taking the romantic walk along the beach and going for the paragliding ride by the beach. Goa has a wonderful nightlife, so you can booze and dance all night and get a wonderfully relaxing spa treatment the next morning. Goa is the perfect place to go have fun and recharge for the hard work of setting up a new life together. Number 2 is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Another beautiful yet peaceful place for you is Andaman and Nicobar. The cost will be higher and more importantly, you will need a longer holiday. If you can manage that, you must visit Andaman and Nicobar. You get to go snorkeling and have candlelight dinner right on the beach. You get to see islands like Havelock and walk on the beach as long as you want. Diving and snorkeling together will give you access to a whole new world together. Go watch the sunset at the sunset point on the western beach. You can go to different islands and explore through cruises. Andaman is a once in a lifetime opportunity for many young people. You hardly ever get the time to explore the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as a working class adult. So, when you get this chance, don't miss it. Number 3 is Kerala. Kerala is not only one of the best honeymoon places in India, but it is also one of the natural places in India. And there is so much to explore. The backwater, the hills, the waterfalls, the western ghats and the unique beaches of Kerala will make you want to spend weeks there. Explore the beauty of Alleppey, Kovalam, Kumarakom and Kollam together. Take a houseboat to cruise through the backwaters. You can stay on the houseboat too far a unique experience. Explore the Ayurvedic spa treatment Kovalam is famous for. You will return with at least a year of fuel to continue with the monotonous work life. The beauty of your honeymoon destinations will make sure you have the right start to your married life, no matter whether you have known your partner for years or just a few months. Number 4 is Jammu and Kashmir. Everybody wants to go to Jammu and Kashmir, but it is not an easy trip to plan. You need to be sure that the political scenario there is at peace for the time being. A honeymoon is the best possible time to go on a Kashmir trip. The snow, the rugged mountains at the distance, and the green valleys around you will make you both fall in love all over again. If you go during the summer, you will see the waterfall and you will enjoy a cool day and a cozy inn at night. Dal Lake is perfect for professional quality honeymoon shots. There is a lot to say about Kashmir. Why don't you explore from a catalog for yourself? Trust me, you will get hooked. Don't forget the Strawberry Valley in Gulmarg. Number 5 is the Golden Triangle. The Delhi Agra Jaipur is the oldest tourist plan for Indians. If you are conventional or simply want to go to these 3 places, take this trip for your honeymoon. Take some amazing couple pictures in front of Taj Mahal for your honeymoon album because your love is definitely better than Shah Jahan's. If you are going to Jaipur, you will feel like exploring all of Rajasthan. But that is not possible on a single trip, unless, of course, you are on a wonderful experience with your partner and you don't care if it takes you a month. Explore the market of Delhi and shops like crazy. The prices are low. If you can bargain, you might be coming back with 3 extra travel bags all full of things you will need or not need at home and things you want to gift to your dear ones. Number 6 is Rajasthan. Talking about Rajasthan, it is one of the best honeymoon destinations in India because of the wide range of options it allows. There are so many cities to explore, so many cuisines to try, and so many traditional outfits to dress up in for a honeymoon photo album. The royal life and the historical facts of the beautiful forts can give you a different kind of experience. You can take a ride on camel so explore the villages and get to know the culture of the people. Rajasthan is rich with its cultural artwork. You will definitely want to carry back many souvenirs from the place.
Number 7 is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is called the Switzerland of India for a reason. The beautiful sky, blue lakes of Nainital, the Himalayas of Dehradun, the ski resort at Auli, all added to the fun activities you can do and romantic days you can spend with your partner. You will forget that you are in India. Uttarakhand is a perfect gateway. Don't miss the famous Corbett National Park, Nainital, Mussoorie and Kaushani are some of the places you must visit. You can go river rafting, skiing and trekking and mountaineering if you are the aggressive, actively loving couple, or you can stay in the cities going on walks and boat rides in the lakes. If you are the quieter romantic kind, my suggestion would be to do both. Uttarakhand will offer the best situations to push your limit with your partner.
Number 8 is Kodaikanal and Ooty. These hill stations in Tamil Nadu are to die for. The lush green hills looks like something straight out of a picture. Ooty is called the queen of hill stations and you will know why once you get there. You get to take a Nilgiri toy train ride, visit the Bandipur Sanctuary and see the Emerald Lake and Avalanche Lake. Don't forget to explore the Paikara Falls and Paikara Dam or the pine forests. You will simply love Ooty. If Ooty is the queen of hill stations, Kodaikanal is the princess. The Kodaikanal Lake, Bear, Sola Falls, Pillar Rocks, Coker's Walk, Silver Cascade and Byron Park are the important places to visit in Kodaikanal.
Number 9 is Shillong. The Northeast Indian states offer some great honeymoon places in India. Shillong is one of them. It is called the Scotland of East. The colonial charm is intact. The road and the people are all peaceful, and the city is perfect for a romantic getaway. The lakes, waterfalls, and meandering roads in the valleys of Shillong will make both of you want to get a little out there. Number 10 is Rishikesh. If you are the health freak couple that does not understand the point in wasting your days away in a hotel room, Rishikesh is the place for you. River rafting, power yoga, Rishikesh is known for all this. Apart from that, it is a very beautiful place. The active couple in you might just want to take a moment for a lousy stroll, while the romantic, peaceful couple might as well want to embark on an adventure. A Rishikesh trip will change you. Number 11th is McLeodganj. It all sounds so similar. A beautiful hill station, perfect for both romance and fun activities. But McLeodganj is unique. You can take a look at the pictures and you will realize that this place is nothing like the others. But you can do everything you want, from just lazing away, eating and drinking, joy walking, as well as going on trekking and camping trips. Number 12th is Haflong. Haflong in Assam's lone hill stations for tourists. This eastern beauty has the typical charm of northeast's serene atmosphere and calm ambience. This is the perfect place for couples who love nature and open space with foggy weather. This is the perfect honeymoon destination for nature lovers. So guys, why are you waiting for? Choose one of these destinations and have fun in your honeymoon. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and please press the bell button so that you will never miss our future videos. Thank you.